Pneumocystis jirovecii. This is an opportunistic pathogen, that is a fungus that infects only when the patient has immunocompromised state, and the common predisposing conditions are HIV, organ transplant recipients on steroid therapy and other immunosuppressive drugs. This is one of the common cause for pneumonia in immunocompromised individuals. This organism, this fungus has been previously called as Pneumocystis carinii, but later it has been found that the organisms are species specific. Pneumocystis carinii was found to infect only rats and murina mice and ornithology rabbits. So the organism, that is a fungus that infects human, is Pneumocystis jirovecii. Method of infection. Many theories have been proposed. One is the reactivation of the latent infection, or can be acquired in the hospital, nosocomial. Defects in cellular and humoral immunity has been proposed as the main mechanism. CD4 count, that too in HIV patients, is an excellent predictor of this infection. 80% of cases occurs in HIV patient and the CD4 count goes below 200, and almost all patients with CD4 count less than 100 develop this infection. This fungus has unique tropism for the lungs. It gets inhaled into the lungs where it elicits an inflammatory reaction and leading to exudate in the alveoli, thereby hindering in the oxygen transfer. Lung sections usually shows foamy alveolar exudates. The organisms can be stained using silver methenamine stain and can also be found using colorimetry method and immunofluorescence method using tissue sections. Clinical features. This infection can present to us in an acute or subacute manner. Initially, patient will be having a vague sense of dyspnea, which will be followed by a non-productive cough and fever, and later typical signs of consolidation, ending up in respiratory failure and death. Examination. It is non-specific in the initial stages. Later shows all forms of signs of consolidation like rales, bronchial blossoms, etc. Investigation. Chest X-ray shows bilateral symmetric perihilar opacities, and serum LDH can be elevated, which is a marker of lung injury, not a marker of PCP, that is PJP infection. GGO pattern in CT is reliable, though normal CT findings can help in a diagnosis. Normal CT almost always rules out PJP infection. Diagnosis is made by demonstrating the foamy alveolar infiltrates with mononuclear cells in lung tissue sections, and methenamine silver stains, as we said earlier, can be used to stain the organisms. Demonstration of the organism in bronchoalveolar lavage is 100% sensitive as well as specific. In induced sputum, experts can detect the organism also. Polymerase chain reaction can be used to detect the organisms. Risk and mortality depends upon the age. Older the age, poor is the prognosis, and the pre-existing lung diseases, low serum albumin level at the time of presentation, and the need for ventilation and development of pneumothorax, all these are indicators of poor prognosis in pneumocystis pneumonia. Patient usually do not respond during the initial 3 to 4 days, but if the patient remains stable remains in the same condition after the 4th day or has no improvement by the 10th day, suspect some alternate diagnosis. Treatment. Septron, that is cotrimoxazole, combination of trimethoprim and sulfamethoxazole for 14 days in non-HIV patients with mild disease, and for 21 days in all other cases is the treatment of choice. The other drugs that can be given are shown in this tabular column, taken from Harrison. First choice is always Septron, be it treatment or prophylaxis. The first choice for Pneumocystis jirovecii infection is Septron, cotrimoxazole. The alternate drugs that can be tried are atovaquone. Atovaquone requires a fatty meal for its absorption, and clindamycin primaquine can be tried, but primaquine has to be given peroral, so patients who cannot tolerate oral drugs cannot be given these drugs. And pentamidine can be given, but it causes dangerous hypotension, therefore this has to be given as infusion. And steroid has to be given to all patients because this reduces the inflammation and increases the chance of survival. Steroids, it improves survival and reduces the inflammation in the lungs. Prevention. Here also the drug of choice is trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole. The alternative drugs are dapsone plus pyrimethamine plus leucovorin, and pentamidine as nebulized solution, and atavocone. All this can be tried. And apart from starting the prophylaxis, the underlying condition has to be corrected. For example, ART, antiretroviral therapy, has to be started, and immunosuppressive drugs, if any, can be switched over to other class of drugs. And prophylaxis in PLWHA patient, that is patient living with HIV and AIDS, is started when the CD4 count is less than 200. And patients who are on steroids taking more than 20 mg of prednisone for more than 30 days, for more than a month, are to be treated with prophylaxis.